Alright guys, tingnan natin ito. Ano po tayong konting kambing. Ano pong magandang luto nito? Abang-abang po. Ayan. Abang-abang. Alright, lagyan natin ng condiments. Ayan. May onions. Of course, we have the yellow one is the ginger and paminta and garlic salt and garlic. Ayan. Okay. Tayo, hindi ka. Alright, tingnan natin ulit guys. Ayan na. Okay. Gudo lang siguro. Hindi pa, gudo. Ayan, lagyan na ng duguan ni kagawad sila. Kabel mo lang. Sakto. Alright. Ayan, dinuguan na yan guys. Dinuguan kambing. Alright. Alright guys, check natin. Mukhang okay na. Ito ya. Hello. Let's I wanna know. Did you ever see the rain? I wanna know. Alright. Bantay manan ka bagis. Alright guys, ito na. Umuusok na. Alright. One down.